Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and get Settlemate app. You want to start using the Settlemate app but you are not sure how to get it on your device. Here is a quick step-by-step guide to help you out. Step 1. Open your app store. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, open the App Store. Step 2. Search for Settlemate. In the search bar, type Settlemate and type search. Make sure it's the official app by Settlemate Technologies. Step 3. Tap install. Step 3. Tap install. Once you find it, tap install on Android or get on iPhone. Wait for the download to complete. Step 4. Open the app. Once installed, tap open to launch Settlemate. Step 5. Create your account. Type sign up. Enter your details, name, email, etc. Create a secure password and agree to the terms. Step 6. Verify your phone or email. Settlemate may send you a code. Enter it to confirm your identity. Step 7. Start using Settlemate. You are all set. You can now use the app to manage your settlement or transaction easily. That's it. Installation is quick and only takes a few minutes. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one.